Hey, everyone. Welcome back to More Code, where we dive into the best coding tips and tricks. Today, we're going to show you 5 amazing VS Code themes that will not only make your coding environment look fantastic, but also boost your productivity. Let's jump right in. 1. Dracula Official. First up, we have the Dracula Official theme. This dark theme with high contrast is perfect for long coding sessions. It provides excellent syntax highlighting across various programming languages, making your code easy to read and write. The rich colors and clear contrasts make it a favorite among developers. If you prefer a dark and mysterious vibe, Dracula Official is the way to go. 2. IU. Next, let's look at the IU theme. IU comes in 3 variants: IU Light, IU Mirage, and IU Dark. It's a minimalistic theme with a modern design, providing a pleasant and versatile coding experience. The subtle color palette of IU reduces eye strain, making it ideal for those long hours of coding. Whether you prefer light or dark themes, IU has you covered. 3. GitHub theme. Moving on to the GitHub theme. If you're a GitHub user, you'll feel right at home with this theme. It replicates the look and feel of GitHub's interface, providing a familiar environment for your coding projects. With its clean and consistent design, the GitHub theme is perfect for developers who want a seamless transition between their GitHub repositories and VS Code. 4. Monokai Pro. Our 4th theme is Monokai Pro. This well-known theme features a dark background with vibrant colors, offering a balanced contrast that enhances readability. Monokai Pro's color scheme is designed to reduce eye strain and improve focus, making it an excellent choice for developers who spend a lot of time coding. 5. OneDark Pro. Last but not least, we have OneDark Pro. This theme is inspired by Atom's OneDark theme and is one of the most popular choices among VS Code users. Its balanced color contrast makes it comfortable for extended coding sessions. OneDark Pro's sleek design and user-friendly interface make it an ideal option for both beginners and experienced developers alike. And there you have it, 5 amazing VS Code themes to enhance your coding experience. Whether you prefer dark or light themes, there's something here for everyone. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Thanks for watching and happy coding!